An excruciating day in an Oakland County courtroom as parents of those who were killed in the Oxford High School shooting saw and heard in far too vivid detail how the shooter planned his killing spree and how he wanted to see the suffering he would cause.
Yeah, this is really hard to listen to. Mara McDonald is live tonight. Mara, court resumes in the morning, all to determine whether the student responsible will ever be eligible for parole.
That's right, Kimberly. And what these Oxford parents had to listen to in court today was just horrifying. All their pain, all their suffering, it was all premeditated by a student who wanted to revel in it. Let me show you. To see it in black and white is jarring, the innermost thoughts of the Oxford shooter, where again,
ready and the 9mm ready. Then I walk behind any girl, pretty in parentheses, and shoot them in the back of the head. I will then shoot anyone I see, aiming for the head, until I have to reload.
And again.
I would just hope their parents will feel with sadness and distraught. When I shoot up the school, I hope that every parent of kids I gratefully murder will be so sad that they kill themselves. I want all of America to see the darkness in me. I want to impact the world with this.
He dreamt of what he did at Oxford High and planned for it. He had no intention of killing himself, according to his notes, and expected to spend the rest of his life in prison. Video of his rampage was played in the courtroom as the parents of those killed and injured looked on. And detectives like Timothy Willis told all about what they'd discovered. A teenager obsessed with animal torture who texted about the desire to hurt small children while his parents gave him access and training with firearms. Today was just the beginning, with more testimony scheduled for Friday. The final witness on Thursday, longtime Oxford teacher Molly Darnell, who was shot in the arm while barricaded in her office. She had just texted her husband to let him know there was an active shooter in the building when...
That was about the time that I realized that I was bleeding. I could feel blood on my arm.
Back here live, it's interesting to note that detectives say that in the shooter's writings, he had no intention of dying during his shooting spree. And when they did come upon him at Oxford High School, they say he calmly put his gun down, got on his knees, and put his hands in the air. We're live downtown tonight. I'm Mara McDonald, Local 4.
So difficult to listen to all of that today, Mara. We appreciate your report.